When it rains in Perth, it rains. I'm not sure if you can see this, but man, it's raining. It is raining something crazy. But Joel, look at that water. Can you see the water? That is what we might call a rain storm. No lightning. Just rain and wind, and the birds are going like, whoa, what's happening here? Instead of going under shelter, the birds go out and go, hey, hey. I suppose the seagulls, they probably like the rain. Anyway, luckily when it's like this, it tends not to last too long. So hopefully, in about a second, we'll be able to run for the car. That's the sea out there, by the way, all dark and white caps, although it's a nice bay. Alright, that's enough of that.